Did you know there's a technology that mimics the human brain, allowing computers to learn and make decisions just like us? Let's dive into artificial neural networks. Technology inspired by the human brain, driving smart innovations. Our brains are made up of billions of cells called neurons. Artificial neural networks are inspired by these. They're like a simplified version of our brain, but inside a computer. Think of it like this. ANNs have tiny nodes, like neurons, that work together to learn patterns. They learn from examples. Just like humans learn from experience, ANNs get better the more data we give them. That's why they can help recognize objects, understand speech, and even predict things. From self-driving cars to personalizing ads, artificial neural networks are powering many things around us. And it all started by copying how our brains work, in a simpler way. Check out our full video on ANN Technical Deep Dive. The link is in the video description. Please subscribe to AI in 60 seconds and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos.